Psych.
What's up, everyone? Today I got 3 Camaros and 1 Mustang to do. Stick around to see how they turn out. Camaro number 1, getting some hash marks on there. First Camaro's done, just waiting. Oh, never mind. It's here. There it is. This is Camaro number 2. This one will be getting the SS racing stripes, so a little different from the first one. There we go. Lock in the top, give it a little tension. Water helps it glide better. Perfect. Brand new squeegee. Camaros are done. Next stop is food. Actually, I'm just gonna eat right here. A little Kind bar. These are good. Hold me over until I get home. Whoa! That was a sharp turn. Mustang will be tomorrow. Running a bit behind today, so I won't be able to get back there in time to finish it. So sometimes you just can't be everywhere all the time at once, and so you just got to communicate and hope for the best. You know, you can't really please everybody all the time, but thankfully my customers are very nice, friendly people. Just have a really good relationship with them. So it works out most of the time, and they're very understanding. So yeah, Mustang will be tomorrow. Well, all done for the day. Headed home. It's the wife's birthday, so we'll be going out for dinner and celebrating.